Karnataka Chief Minister Siddaramaiah has written a letter to Wipro Chairman Azim Premji requesting that during peak hours, traffic movement be allowed through the Wipro campus. This, the Chief Minister has explained, would ease the congestion on the outer ring road stretch near Iblur Junction, potentially reducing traffic density there by up to 30%. It's a developing story. We'll try to bring you more details with regards to what Karnataka Chief Minister Siddaramaiah has written in the letter to Wipro Chairman Azim Premji. But as of now, the preliminary reports are suggesting that this is with regards to easing the traffic congestion on the outer ring road near the Iblur Junction, and also to help curb down the traffic density by up to 30% by letting the vehicles pass through Wipro premises. This is the request that Karnataka Chief Minister has made to Wipro's chairman. The solution that Karnataka Chief Minister is trying to find for the long pending traffic congestion problem for the IT capital of the country. My colleague Mohammad Wajiullah is joining us on the broadcast to provide us more details. Wajiullah, please highlight the key points of this letter which was written by Karnataka's Chief Minister to Wipro's head. What exactly is he requesting and how is it going to help the city?
Well, in the last 1 week since the story of the techie from BlackBuck, the CEO of BlackBuck had written a letter, we are seeing a lot of changes that are taking place on the road, and especially on the ORR road, the outer ring road. And today also, the Chief Minister has written a letter to Azim Premji, the head of Wipro, asking that if they are allowed to use the Wipro corridor for a certain period of time, that which has not been mentioned for how long that would be, but excuse me. So yeah, it has been mentioned that if they are allowed to use the Wipro corridor, they will be able to reduce the traffic problem or the congestion that takes place during the peak hour by 30%, which is an assessment done by the traffic police. Because in the last 1 week, like I mentioned, we have been seeing a lot of changes that are taking place with regards to the traffic movement, with regards to which vehicle will be allowed on which road. And these are a sort of experiments which the traffic police is doing at the ORR road to make sure that the congestion that takes place in the ORR region is reduced by a huge margin. Because lately, like I mentioned, how the CEO of BlackBuck had written a letter, had tweeted about how the people in his office are frustrated, and even given a scare that he's planning to move out, which he later retracted. But since then, we are seeing this pressure that has been mounting by the public of Bengaluru on the government with regards to the infrastructure problems that they are facing, with regards to the dilapidated road. And ORR especially, which houses close to 8 lakh employees of IT sector, which has one of the topmost companies of the world at that particular place, and the problems those people have been facing. So with regards to that, the traffic police has been doing a lot of experiments, and this is also believed to be one such experiment where the Chief Minister has written that the Iblur Junction, which faces a lot of congestion, can be eased if a vehicle is allowed to move in a systematic manner with certain securities, with certain arrangements that is done between Wipro and the government. Then they will be able to reduce the traffic by 30% is what the Chief Minister believes in his letter that he has written to Azim Premji. We are yet to receive any information with regards to how long will this go on for. Is it a temporary measure that the CM has asked for, or is it something that has been asked for permanent? Whether Azim Premji or the team from Wipro has responded or not is also something we'll have to wait and watch. But yes, the fact is true that a letter has been written by the Chief Minister to Azim Premji, the head of Wipro, with regards to certain measures that they can do with regards to solving the problem of traffic at the ORR junction.
Wajiullah, if I could also ask you, just for the benefit of our viewers, if you could explain us this particular stretch that we have been speaking about, for which the respite has been asked through Wipro's chairman to open up the gates for the premises to curb down the traffic density by 30%. How does that particular route comes as a rescue?
Well, the government believes that by allowing a free flow movement from the Wipro corridor itself, it will help them reduce the congestion that takes place at the ORR junction. Now, during peak hours, ORR is a place where a lot of vehicles get stuck, and the traffic at that particular point of time is moving at the speed of 10 to 11 kilometers per hour, which is very slow. And that is why you see a lot of people complaining with regards to the fact that they are stuck for 2 hours, they are stuck for 1.5 hours, how a 10 minutes or a 15 minutes journey has been turned into an hour journey. And that is why this stretch is that stretch which is very important. So after the Silk Road junction, if there is another stretch which has been creating a lot of problems for Bengaluru, especially the IT sector, it is the ORR, because like I mentioned, ORR has close to 8 lakh employees, something that is the highest in the world in a particular spot, which has one of the top companies of the world with regards to IT settled there. And the congestion over there. Now with the Iblur junction, if this freeway is being done, they believe that there will be more movement for vehicles to pass by, and they also have this claim that by 30% they will be able to reduce the congestion. So with regards to that, this letter has been written. Whether that will happen or not, because when it comes to traffic, if ease is given, you will see more and more traffic coming and piling up on that place. But in the last 5 days, we are seeing a lot of such experiments that have been done by the government, especially at the ORR junction. We had seen how separate lanes had been devised for vehicular movement. Then we had seen various junctions that were blocked and various roads that have been opened. And this is also one such measure to ease the traffic at that particular point.
All right, Vajola, thank you so much for joining us.